Hi, actually we are in the middle of the dry season and this is how tropical showers are cleaning our solar systems, which I like very much because no work for getting a better output performance. Of course, for our generation this just means 50 watts from a 4700 watt peak per array, so that's almost nothing, of course. But showers will eventually go away and then we have nice clean panels all over the place and the generation will just shoot up. Very nice. The panels are soaked just exactly how it should be. We have very flat roofs. That's all carports with an angle about 10 degrees angle only. So you need a quite strong rain to clean the glass properly. But this is not really a problem in the tropics. There's always very big storms. Yeah, this is how nature is cleaning our panels. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and watch some other videos on my channel. Thank you and see you next time.